Yes, ma'am. Can we give it up for this texture, the length, the color? Yes, Martina. Why did I sleep on this one? Wow, 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 wow. What is she, about 14 inches? Possibly 16, something like that. This is pretty, super pretty. And look at that. Outre need to stop. You need to stop, Outre, because look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You already know, sis. It gets 2 snaps. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead on and get into it. I did use my Evelyn New York and the blow dryer to tint the lace on Martina. Love this color, love this wig, you guys, already. You guys know it's the melted hairline, and you know how it comes. 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and a strap in there. So I'm showing you guys the hairline. Can we give it up? I did pluck the hairline a little bit on this, and that's why you do see where it's like striated or whatever, like going back, because I did go in and pluck it. It was nice, but I felt like it could be a little bit better, and I wanted to pull it up. So that's why you guys will see in the photos that I did pluck it. After I did that, I just went in and pulled down a couple hairs. I was trying to make them as thin as possible. I was able to do that. This dark root really sets it off. Like, I mean, it's just everything. It helps it to blend in with my edges and everything. So I did use some of my bed head. Again, went in and just tied it down. Once I tied it down, this thing just melted into my scalp. After I tied her up, the edges came out really good, and she was pretty much good to go. After that, I just added a little bit of powder. Go ahead on and stay tuned for some pros.
This red color is popping. As you guys can see, I did a small melt around the hairline. Nothing too much. Just a little something around there. Just because it's a middle part, and I didn't want it to be like sliding back, which I don't think it would. I don't have on a wig grip with this. It fits pretty snug, but doing it this way is good because I wanted to, you know, pull it up, something like that later. So if you guys are interested in seeing some pictures, I'll definitely post them over on my Instagram. So make sure you guys will follow me over there at Beautiebymark as well. But yeah, this is really pretty. I really don't have any cons with this hair. I feel like over time, she is synthetic, and it does have texture, so over time you may have to go in and, you know, like put a little heat to her or something like that. Nothing too high, maybe a blow dryer or something. The good thing about this is you can curl her, put a couple curls in if you wanted to, but out of the package she looks really good. Now this kind of gives me Nisha vibes, just because the middle part and the way it kind of lays is kind of giving me one of the Nisha vibes, but I don't know. I think I like this one better. I'm sure it's because of the hairline. The Nishas, they constantly let us down. They won't put it in the melted hairline collection. So if they were to put Nisha in the melted hairline collection, I feel like this is what you would get. You would get this kind of flow, and you would get this nice hairline. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think Martina, if you have her, reminds you of one of the Nishas, but she's just better because she's in the melted hairline? Let me know what you think about that. I've been saying Outre, you guys need to put the Nishas in the melted hairline. Let me go ahead on and turn around so you guys can see where it comes at on me. And that's it moving, which it moves pretty well. Yeah, and if you curl it, you could get some layers. You do get some lighter reds up in here, and I'm sure in the sunlight this is gorgeous, which hopefully I can take some pictures in the sunlight and post those because they always be popping. So yeah, I like it all in all. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending the wig over for us to review. You guys know the deal. Check them out. Go ahead and look for it if you want it in this color. I'm pretty sure they have it. A lot of times with so many wigs coming out, we will go on to the next wig and not realize like there's a wig that's really bomb. It might be really bomb in a certain color. So sometimes it's good to see older reviews because you'll be like, oh, hold up, I've never seen it in that color, or I want to get it in that color. So this here, I'm not sure if I've seen it in a red, but this dark root and this melted hairline, it's really pretty. I'll probably wear this for the weekend. So yeah, so thanks again for stopping by the channel. Appreciate you guys watching as usual. Thank you to my returning subscribers and YouTube babes. Thank y'all for pulling up on the sister. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have this one? What color you have it in? If you do have it, go ahead on and leave that in the comment section below. Do you think it reminds you of one of the Nishas? Leave that in the comment section below. So if you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. You know the deal. The name is Beauty by Mark. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.